Hi friends, welcome to this topic. We are looking at number-based systems, but in this video we are looking at an introduction to number-based systems. Let's look at the objective of this lesson. By the end of this lesson, students should be able to, so there are 4 things the students who will go through this class will be able to achieve at the end of this lesson. The first thing is explain what number-based system is and list the different types of number bases. When you go through this lesson, you should be able to explain what number-based systems are and also the different types of number-based systems. The next thing you'll be able to do is convert numbers in base 10 to other bases. So the second objective of this lesson is to help students convert numbers given in base 10 to other bases. Okay. Next is convert numbers in other bases to base 10. Okay. So when you've been able to convert numbers in base 10 to other bases, you also be able to convert numbers in other bases to base 10. And then finally, carry out operations involving addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of numbers in different bases. We all know how to carry out these operations for numbers in base 10. We are used to that. But at the end of this lesson, you should be able to carry out these same operations for numbers in other bases. So let's continue the introduction. Definition of number base. The system of counting in groups can be termed number-based system. Okay, so whenever numbers are being counted, they are counted in groups. We're going to see the different types of examples of number-based systems. Okay, so let's look at the types of number-based systems. The first one is base 2. Base 2. Base 2 system contains only 2 numbers. So base 2 system contains only 2 numbers. What are those 2 numbers? You have 0 and 1. That means whenever you are writing numbers in this system, you can only see 2 numbers. Those 2 numbers will be 0 and 1. So in this system, you will not see 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So whenever you want to write a number in this system, it will be a combination of only 0 and 1. This is also called the binary system. Okay, so this is also called the binary system. The next one is base 3. This contains only 3 numbers, 0, 1, and 2. So whenever numbers are written in this system, you will not see any number bigger than 2 because it only contains 3 numbers, 0, 1, and 2. The next is base 4, containing 4 numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3. We also have base 5, containing 5 numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Base 6, containing 6 numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Base 7, containing 7 numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Base 8, we have 8 numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Base 9, this contains 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And finally, base 10. Containing 10 numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So the numbering system we all are used to is the last base, which is base 10. Base 10 contains 10 numbers, 0 to 9. So whenever you want to write any number, it's a combination of these 10 numbers. So if I want to write 258,000, I'm going to look for 2, 5, 8, and zeros. So any number you want to write is a combination of these 10 numbers. So if you're writing in base 2, you can only have 2 numbers. Base 2 does not contain 2. So the only numbers you can combine is 0 and 1. Base 10 is also called the decimal system. Okay, so decimal numbers. So let's compare this to the objective of the lesson. So we are going to see how to convert numbers in base 10 to other bases. So since we are used to this type of numbers, we are going to see how to convert numbers in base 10 to any of these bases. And we're also going to see how to convert from any of these bases to base 10. But the two most important bases are base 10 and base 2. Why are they important? They are important because we as human beings in this civilization use base 10, but the computers and different electronics that we use, they use base 2. So converting from base 10 to base 2 and from base 2 to base 10 will help us see how computers identify what we are putting in as input. And also, converting from base 2 to base 10, we'll see how when a computer solves any problem in base 2, the computer also has to convert it back to base 10 for us to understand the operation that it has done. So this is the main target of this lesson. So in our next video, we're going to be looking at how to convert numbers in base 10 to other bases. See you in the next video. Bye.